Okay, so this is a problem from chapter 4. Actually, let me check which problem this is. 4.8.35. Okay, and they ask us to divide, and because the denominator here is a binomial, then what we need to do is we need to take this 6x plus 2, and we have to do long division. So we're going to take that into the 18x cubed, and all of this stuff we'll just bring along. All right, and then the way that we do these is we're going to take the first term here, this 18x cubed, and divide it by the first term here. And I'm going to do it off to the side here so you can see what I'm doing. So this is like scratch paper over here. So 18x cubed, if I divide it by 6x, you can't really see that, so let me do it over here. So if we take 18x cubed and divide it by 6x, then we actually get 3x squared. Okay, so that 3x squared is going to be what I'm going to place up top here. And then now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this 3x squared and multiply it all the way through. So I'm going to distribute it through the 6x plus 2. Okay, and when I distribute it here, that's going to go on this line. So it's going to be 18x cubed and then plus 6x squared. Okay, now you're going to change signs because you're subtracting the whole thing. So this one goes negative, and this one's positive, this goes negative. So these will add to be 0. And then we have negative 36 and negative 6, so that becomes a negative 42x squared. And we bring down the rest of the problem, and then we just do it all over again. Okay, so I'm going to take this first term right here and divide it by that first term. So it's going to be a negative 42x squared divided by 6x. And that would give me a negative 7x. So that negative 7x is going to go up top. And then what's going to go on this line right here is taking just that negative 7x and multiplying it through the 6x plus 2. Okay, so it's going to look like negative 42x squared and negative 14x. Okay, now we change signs. This goes positive, this goes positive. So those add to be 0. And 62 plus 14, and negative 62 plus 14 gives us a negative 48x, and then bring down my negative 16. Okay, and then do it all over again. So negative 48x, that's the first term here, is being divided by this first term, this 6x. Okay, and so the x's cancel, and we just get a negative 8 there. No. Did I do that wrong? 48 divided by 6. Yeah. I don't know what I was thinking. This is right. So 48 divided by 6, negative 8. So your negative 8 goes up there. And then what goes on this line, take the negative 8, and we're distributing through the 6x plus 2. So that becomes negative 48x. Minus 16, change your signs, and you have a remainder of 0. So your answer there is, 3x squared minus 7x. 3x squared minus 7x minus 8 is your answer.